Awesome, fellow traders. Hope you all had an awesome weekend. An early update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And price reacted nicely from the zone we've been talking about, and that has pushed up from here. It did open above in gap, but like I said, we are still not bearish completely until we are not broken below this yellow zone as mentioned in my last video. So price gave us a good pullback, now in a process of pushing back up. Could be an uptrend or could be a rejection from this zone. So let's talk about conditions and entries really slowly so that you can get a full concept of it. So starting with Oanda charts first. So at this point, I'll be only looking at pullback entries bullish. Now, if the price forms a bullish engulfer here, in that case, I will not take it as an entry. But if the price gives us a good push down and forms a double bottom from the exact same zone from where the price recently pushed up from this rejection box right here, in that case, I will go long. So this will be my first condition to take my long trade if we have a double bottom pattern. Let's say if there is no condition. For my next buy trade, I want to see a break above this wick right here once we have a broken above this wick, and then I want to see a pullback. Must be above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that, a condition something like this must be above 50 EMA, I'm gonna go long. So very simple, very easy, not taking any sell trades as now we are above 50 EMA and 20 EMA. Only looking for buy trades from this rejection box or above this high, this wick, pullback, bullish engulfer must be above 50 EMA. So these are my buying conditions. So for my sell trades, we have this rejection box ready right here at a minor level. Now this minor level, in case you have not seen my last video, it is 2.768, that goes to 2.859. So this is the minor level from where I want to see a rejection without a price to break and close above this high. So if the price pushes up dramatically, forms bearish engulfer, something like this, that will be my sell signal and I'm going to go short. That can be good scalp and a good pullback, and then price will likely push higher and keep on pushing higher. Now my other condition is if we have a 382 candle here, if there is no bearish engulfer but a 382 candle, that is also one of my sell condition. Now I'm also looking at the head and shoulder pattern, which is something like this. We have a left shoulder. Now the price is in a process of forming a right shoulder. So if we have a move like this, if the price comes down, forms a right shoulder, in that case I will start to look for my buy trades only. So we have a likely chance the price forms a head and shoulder pattern as well. As we can see, the price starts to pull back down. But if the price break above this little anchor and the price close above it, in that case head and shoulder pattern will turn invalid. So all I want to see a good rejection form of right shoulder and then a bullish engulfer within this termination zone to take my long trade. I'll keep you guys informed once we have a completion of this pattern. So keep an eye. These are conditions now I'll be looking at for my trades. Here on capital.com, price pushed up from our trend continuation zone that was mentioned. All I'm looking at a double top from this area if we have a rejection with bearish engulfers or 382 candle. For my next buy trade will be on 4-hour time frame. I want to see a break above this high. Only then I want to see a pullback above 50 EMA, and then I'm going to go long till we are here and price forms a double top. In that case, I'm going to go short. Otherwise, this rejection box, if we have a dramatic push down, in that case, I'll start to look for my trades for my double bottom pattern. Otherwise, we have a head and shoulder pattern formation which is not completed yet, but if we have that, I will keep you guys informed with all the moves. Here on NEMEX, my next buy trade, if we have a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, in that case I'm going to go long. Otherwise, this is a zone from where I'll be looking at for my possible sell trade with conditions like bearish engulfers or 382 candles. So these are conditions now I'll be looking at for on all three platforms. If I get a condition on Oanda or capital.com, I'm going to enter my trade. So to keep an eye, not taking any sell trades. We are still bullish, but just looking for conditions which I've just mentioned. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. Next one, we have gold. Now for gold, we have a price just made a new low. That could be an aggressive entry. Now at this point, a less aggressive entry will be, which I'll be personally looking at, a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. If we have that, we are good to go short, and I will use 1 ATR for my target, which is $11 at this point, and that could be my stop loss and take profit both. So wait for that. Once we have a bearish engulfers below 50 EMA, in that case we are good to go short. Otherwise, An entry for head and shoulder pattern number 2, an aggressive entry has been triggered already, but with less aggressive entry, I want to see a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA for my short trade. So not taking any buy trades as long as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. Here on silver, we have the zone below, that is a major trend continuation bullish area, 28.71, that goes up to 29.72. Now this is the new zone from where I want to see an entry condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. So have these zones ready on your charts. Once you see a condition like bullish engulfers, double bottom, we're going to enter our buy trades from this green zone I've just mentioned. Otherwise, if price forms a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, in that case, we are good to go short till here, then look for buy condition from this area I've just mentioned. Next buy trade will be either from here or once we are broken above this high. Lastly, we have crude oil is now finally broken below this level. Now at this point, let this candle closed first. Once this candle is closed, I want to see one more red candle. In that case, we can start to look for the pullback entry bearish only, and then we're going to look at a next zone that is below here, which I'm going to mention in my next video. For now, we are good to go for our sell trades, just sell trades with the pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfers, and keep on taking short. Initially, I will use 1 ATR for my target. As price just made a new low right here, we can now start to look for our bearish trades only, not buying crude oil as now we are broken below this consolidation. Let this candle closed first, and then we're going to use the zone above for aggressive entry bearish. Otherwise, we are good to go for the pullback entry with bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.